Hey, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to GFRSMC YouTube channel. We are back again in another video. I hope everyone is fine. First of all, I will apologize for my absence that I was not active here and on YouTube for a few days because I went to my Umrah, and as soon as I came back there was many functions that I need to attend to. But now I am totally free for trading and for YouTube as well, so I will be totally available for my YouTube family. Without wasting our time, we will start our today video, which is on the USDCAD pair on the top down analysis, and we will study the case of USDCAD and see what happening in this pair from higher time frame to lower time frame. First of all, before starting the video, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then you can subscribe it and press the bell icon. We are sharing a lot of informative videos on daily basis. Also, we are working on Telegram, and here is the USDCAD pair in front of you guys, which is almost running 100 plus pips. If you are also in our Telegram channel, then you can see here. If you have seen our last week weekly analysis in our public channel and VIP channel, then here you can see here was the scenario of one time frame that we was looking for a bullish momentum. Here was the details. Here was the last breakout structure here, and the 1 hour time frame which is created by after the sweeping of liquidity that market went up, and after that high market taken out this low. After that taken out the low, market had confirmed this high, and it was just falling down to test its extreme level here. But after that low, market created some trap for the smart money traders and retail traders as well. Now we are looking for market to break that low and hunt the SL of all buyers here. Then it will test this extreme zone for H1 time frame. Then we will looking for entry in M5. It was the scenario from the last Sunday that we shared in our channel and in our public channel as well. Now, so in this YouTube video you will learn all about this pair, that how you guys can possibility of market to move and behave in your favorite side. So first of all, as you all of know that if in the higher time frame market will bullish, in smaller time frames market will create some traps for day traders, and then they will completely following its bullish structure. Now that means is that our higher time frame structures will create and tell us the original structure of the market. First of all, we will go to our daily time frame structure. So here is the daily time frame structure in front of you guys. First of all, let's delete the previous structure and remark the original structure here. Now if you can see, in the daily time frame market structure was totally bullish, and here was our last high. After that high, market taken out the inducement which caused the from which we have confirmed our this high. After confirmation of that high, market again break the same high, which is called as a breakout of structure. After that breakout of structure, market again created a new high, which was at this point. Why this is our new high? Because after that high, market reversed back and taken out its last pullback low, which is called IDM. If you don't know what is the IDM, I have another video in my YouTube channel related on IDM. You guys can watch that video so you can learn deeply about this the IDM. After taking out the inducement, we always looking for the bullish structure now. So where was the possibilities of the structure? So let's mark the original structure first. Here was the last high. After that high, market taken out this inducement here like that. Here was the taken out the inducement. After that, market again break the original structure here. After that structure, market again created this high. Why this is not our high? Some traders will mark that high as a higher high, but this is not the original high. Where is our original high? After that high, if after that high market again come back and taken out this inducement, then it was our major high. But when market again created new high here, then our inducement will be shift from that area to that area. Now this is our confirm high. Why? Because after that high, market taken out this inducement, so this will be our last higher high. After taking out the inducement, we always looking for the bullish structure now. So where was the possibilities of the bullish structure? First of all, we always can follow the extreme level as a high probability order block. Here was our extreme level for the daily time frame structure. So it was our extreme level. After that, we was looking for our decisional level. Here was our decisional OB. You can see here it was our decisional OB. Why this was our decisional OB? If you see and zoom out that candle, then you can see this candle have taken out the previous candle low. That means this candle taken out the liquidity, so that candle will be work as an order block. So if you can see, market did not hold that low, sorry, that order block for the possible target, and then when market have break that low to the downside, that means our decision lobby was failed. And now there is only one possibility of the extreme level. That means in future market, whenever market will test that level, we can again see the possibilities of buys from this level. This was the scenario of the daily time frame. If we now shift the structure to the structure for 4-hour time frame, if you see here, what was the scenario of 4-hour time frame? This was our last high, because this high created by the market after taking out the inducement. After that high, whenever market break the previous low here, it will be caused as a breakout structure. After that breakout structure, we was looking for the market to taken out the inducement, then we was confirmed our lower low. Here was our last lower low. This lower low will be confirmed whenever market will take this inducement, but market did not taken out this inducement and again break it to the downside. That means our inducement will be shift from that level to that level, but market again did not taken out that inducement, then again created a new lower low. After that lower low, our inducement was here, but market did not take any. Market again created a new lower low. After that lower low, market taken out this inducement here. That means there was our last confirmed lower low. Why this is our confirmed lower low? Because after that lower low, market successfully taken out the inducement here. But what happened here? Market again created a new structure here, because taken out the last major structure high, that is caused as a change of character. But if you see here, in first attempt, market just sweep the liquidity here. That was just a trap, because some trader was selling from this single candle order block here. If you can see here, this was our single candle order block, and some traders were selling here after the closing of that candle, and here was their SL and their targets was here, but it successfully hunt their SLs. It was just a trap, because market created and taken out the last major high liquidity here. In the second attempt, if you see here, market again just sweep the liquidity. Then here was the inducement. First attempt, here was the inducement here, and let me mark that. Here was the inducement. Whenever market have sweep the major high, then our inducement will be shift from this area to that area, and after taking out this inducement, market confirm that this is our higher high. Whenever market break that high again, in the next attempt there will be a breakout structure here. This was our last breakout structure. After that breakout structure, this was our last higher high, because after that high, market again come back and taken out the inducement here. Here was our last IDM. After that inducement, market again push up and create another structure here. Here was our breakout structure. This was our breakout structure. Now we need to find our range. This was our last lower low in 4-hour time frame. Then where was our high? If you can see here, this was our high. Not this. Some trader will mark that high as a higher high, but this is not the confirmed higher high. Higher high will be only confirmed after taken out the inducement. After that high, market, here was the inducement, but market did not taken out the inducement here. Whenever market break the high to the upside, our inducement will be shift from this area to that area. If you can see here, after that high, market again come back and taken out this inducement. That means our higher high will be confirmed at that point. Now here is our last higher high, because after that high, market taken out the inducement here. As all of you know that after taking out the inducement, we was looking for the buy here. Where was the possibilities of buy? First of all, here was the first order block will be always a smart money trap. Here was our first order block, and here was our second decisional order block, which was, but market did not hold that order block. Then where was our extreme order block? If you see here, this OB was our extreme level order block in 4-hour time frame. It was our 4-hour time frame POI. Why this is our POI? Because if you see here, the proper imbalance available in that, only that order block will be work which have a proper imbalance. Here is some unmitigated POI also, which will be caused as a hidden POI. At this level, market will test that level in future, then we will always can buy here. It was the possibility of 4-hour time frame structure. Now let's see, and here was our 4-hour time frame range, the low, and this was the high. We will see the same structure in 1-hour time frame as well. Now here was our H1 time frame structure. Here was the breakout structure here. The last breakout structure was here in the same candle. The almost the H1 structure and and H4 structure was completely the same. Here was the SMT. If you again come back and see the weekly analysis, if you can see, here was our decisional lobby which is failed, and here was the mitigated order flow, so there was no possibility for buy here. So why this was an SMT trap? Some traders will see and mark that level as a POI, but why this is a POI? Remember that the order block which have unmitigated order flow and have a proper imbalance, only that order block will be work properly. First of all, let's see where was here was our inducement in 1 hour time frame. So where was the possibilities of buys? First of all, we need to find our decisional POI. Where is our decisional POI? If you see here, after taken out the inducement, here was our last unmitigated order flow. This was our last unmitigated order flow, and this was our decisional POI. This was our first POI where we were looking for a bullish structure. Here was our decisional POI. Why this candle will be act like a decisional POI? Because this candle have a proper imbalance here. If you mark the imbalance like that, you can see the proper imbalance is available. Also, this order block have a unmitigated order flow. That means this is a high probability order block. Here was our first entry. You can see after creating this single candle order block here, we was looking for buy after closing that candle, and here was our possibility for buy here, and the target was the same, the next last high. But you can see market have just taken out liquidity of that low. Now we need to find our optional POIs or our extreme POI. How we can find our optional POI and extreme POI? Extreme POI will be always at the extreme level. Here was our extreme POI. Only two POIs will be work in a one structure. One is the decisional POI and the second is the extreme POI. Decisional POI is already filled. Now there is no possibility for buys in all these order blocks and order flows. Why this move happens here? If you see here, first move happened here, then you can see there was an order flow and there was a support and resistance here, but there is no possibility for buys. You can see, first of all, you can see the order flow. Here was the order flow which is already mitigated with that move. And the second thing is there is the no unmitigated order flow or hidden POI in this area where we can looking for the buys. So that means that is just a SMC trap. The next move happened from this area, but if you mark that area like that, you can see this order flow was already mitigated. That means there is the no possibility for buy here. The third move was happened from that area, but you can see this order flow is already mitigated. This order flow is already mitigated. The last order flow was here, which was already mitigated with that candle. That means this all was just a trap from the smart money for the smart money traders and some retailers traders, and we was just looking for market to tap into our extreme area. Then we was can simply buy after the confirmation of lower time frame. If we are using H1 time frame, then we can shift our structure to the 5-minute time frame to see when our market will break the and mitigate our zone. Let me mark our zone first. Here was the structure and here was the 5-minute structure. We was just waiting for market to tap into our zone, then we was looking for the buys. Here you can see that market has just tapped into our extreme zone, which was our extreme area of H1 time frame. Now we was looking for the buy here after LFT confirmation. Now how we can take entry in lower time frame after a confirmation? After tapping into our extreme zone, we were just looking for market to take out the last inducement here. For example, this is our last inducement, but after tapping into extreme zone, this inducement will be work as a change of character. Now if market will again create a new high and taken out this inducement, then we was looking for market to create another inducement here, and after taking out inducement we can buy here like that. In the second scenario, if market again create a new inducement here in the lower side and create and taken out this inducement, then we was again looking for the buy here in the lower stage. For now this is the last inducement and we was waiting for market to taken out this inducement. If you can see here, market successfully taken out the inducement here. There is some two possible scenarios in LFT confirmation to buy in the lower time frame structure. First of all, if market will first structure is like that, the second structure is like that. Let me show. The second structure is like that. First of all, if market will close below that low and taken out the inducement here like that, then we will wait for taken out the inducement, then we will buy it at extreme level. This is the one possible scenario from the market to take entry in LFT confirmation. The second scenario is here like that. If market will sweep the previous low here and then go up and taken out the inducement, which will be work as a change of character, that means market have already taken out the inducement from in the shape of sweep of previous low, then we can direct buy here without taking out the inducement. Now if we see the same scenario here, you can see here market, here was our last high and market closed below it. That means if market close below it like that and create a change of character, which is market already created here, and then in this scenario we will wait for market to taken out the inducement here. Here is our inducement. You can see here was our inducement and we was waiting for market to taken out the inducement, then we was can buy here from our extreme zone. Now here is another two possible scenarios of the market. First of all, we can first entry we can take from our extreme order block, refined order block, which is a 5-minute order block here. The second entry can be possible if market will fill that imbalance here like that, then we can again take entry from that area like that. If market just sweep the inducement here and fill that imbalance, we can direct buy here and our SL will be below that low and our target will be the same H1 structure last high. And let me delete all this, then we can see the possible scenarios from the market. Here was our first entry. Our second entry can be possible from this our extreme zone, or we can say the extreme order block here. The third entry is also possible if market will come back and just sweep this inducement and create another structure like in the shape of the flip entry model single candle dollar bro, then we can also buy at that candle. If you see here, market again created an inducement here like this. This is our last inducement. Now we only need to wait for market to tap into our order block or fill this extreme level imbalance to buy here. If we see, there was an FOMC as well in last night, that was the market just tap into our zone and fill the imbalance here and then again go up to the upside. Now if we see here in the second scenario, market just sweep the almost just, it was just equal lows or just sweep the previous high, sorry, the previous low, and created another single candle order block here like that. And after market close above it, we can again buy here from this candle and our SL will be below that candle and our target will be the same 15-minute structure last high or H1 last high. Here was our structure. If we see in 15-minute time frame, here was the possible scenario of the market. If we close this replacement and you can see the results here, now market is almost going in 80 plus pips, which is almost 1:8 RR, because from this entry we have just 10 pips SL and now it's going 1:8 RR trade. If you see here and possible scenarios and see the other results from our trades, you can see here was our H1 time frame entry in gold structure and it's almost we closed it in 200 pips. The signal was also shared with our public channel in our Telegram. If you still have not joined our public channel, you can see the possible scenarios how we are smashing in our Telegram channels. The third entry was about the uh, New Zealand USD, but it's just missed. Here was the entry where we was waiting for our extreme area, but market did not tap into that zone and again reverse back. I hope this video will be very informative for all of you guys. Again, must subscribe our